for taking the subway down to the Bugle. Guess I'll just have to fight my way through it.
Whoa! Thanks for swinging by, Spider-Man.
You Avenger guys are really great at making a mess.
Hey, I just replaced that.
I always knew there was a real buzz around your name, Tony, but this is taking things a little too far. We've got to shut off the power.
Pepper always says I get in my own way.
My spider sense is tingling. Spider sense again. What is it? Spider sense again. What is it?
Seems like I've got my hands full with you.
This guy doesn't give up. Let's find a way to take this thing down.
Oh no! I'm melting! Melting! No, wait, I mean, I'm solidifying! solidifying! Oh, what a world! No!
Hey, I don't need this. I already have enough problems without getting sand in this costume.
You think you can stop me? I'm not pulling any more punches!
This guy's attacks are so fast. Talk about your quicksand. I've definitely got a sinking feeling right now.
Oh, snap! You got me that time, but I'll still beat you to the punch! I hate to hammer a point home, but you just won't take a hint!
Spidey sense. Something close by.
Parker, do your job! I want some play for bugle stories on the net thing, or interface.
Yes, sir. Netface.
You understand the web, don't you?
The web? Yeah, it's a job and a hobby.
Doc Octopus? You're a real doctor, right? Because I have a pain right here, and it goes around there, and ooh, if I bend over there, and wow!
Your cheap health plan doesn't cover office visits.
Parker! Parker! I need some footage of this for the website. How hard could it be? I mean, this time the news is coming to us!
You could record it with your smartphone, JJ, if you could figure out how to turn it on. Hey, guys.
Victory is now within my reach! Time to step on the spider.
Oh, such cruelty. You couldn't wrap me in a paper towel and toss me out the window?
No! What happened? Octopus!
He seems over-the-top angry. Any advice?
Don't look at me. You're the Doc Ock expert. Wait, he's trapped his arm in the ground. Let's attack while we can. again! My arm! Why didn't I see this coming? Another arm stuck! My arms! Beloved mechanical arms! You'll suffer for this! Shut them!
Give it up. Crime never pays.
You'd be surprised. It covers medical and dental. Can't escape the long reach of justice, Ark.
Stop being so grabby, Doc.
I got it! I got it!
I got it!
I got it!
You know, for a totally legitimate...
And unsuspicious office tower, this place is surprisingly disgusting.
You said it.
I think that's all of them.
No.
I see him.
We always love running into you, Spider-Man. What a tangled web we weave. And Spider-Man, our rejector, you've brought along a few friends for us to play with.
Guys, meet Venom. Venom, the guys. Well, one's a girl.
Yet. We are. We're going to save you till last, Spider-Man! Is that the best you can do? We're only just getting started.
Emergency containment measures for super top secret symbiote research activated.
You're not leaving here alive!
My spider sense again. What is it?
Green Goblin. Come on!
I knew I should have packed my anti-goblin arrows.
Legolas! Ha! Can you and the other Avengers track him down? I gotta do dishes, homework, explain to my girlfriend why I am always leaving her waiting at coffee places. I mean, my life is really hard.
What? No Spider-Man? Shame. I do so enjoy winding him up. How dare you break into my holiday home? Don't you know how hard it is for supervillains to get some vacation time? Doombots, get them! Take this! Dumb drones. I'll deal with you myself.
We need to get him off his board.
Come on, you big ugly orange rock. You think you can stop me? Pathetic little rat! Time to fly, super nothings!
Won't give up.
Destroying the Fantastic Four. What a pleasant surprise! Now, this is it, you worms! This is getting dull without the spider to keep me entertained. I don't believe it! You won't get away with this!
Fools! Don't force me to use Dr. Doom's Doom Ray of Doom.
Does that look like a ray gun to you, Reed?
Usually ray guns use focused light, whereas this appears to use cosmic energy.
Why don't you just ask him? Villains love to talk about their stuff. Hey, Doom! What is that thing?
Oh, you'd like to see it in action? Very well.
arrived just in time to see me and my island rise!
He's quite the showman. And he's got a flying island? Is this some sort of Hydra trick?
Like I know. Just hang on!
Captain America. Thing. Charles Xavier sends his regards.
Storm.
Hey, a weather goddess ain't such a bad trade-up, especially for Johnny. Why'd you come after me here? I just want to be left alone! Ah! Yeah! It's clobbering time! Oh, man! This ain't over!